Hello students, this is Velocity Physics. This is lecture number 1, class 10, current electricity. Electric current. Current means flow. Current means flow. When water flows from one place to another, it is called water current. When wind flows from one place to another, it is called wind current. Electric current is the flow of electrons in a conductor, or electric current is the amount of charge flowing through a particular cross-sectional area in unit time. This is a conductor. This cross-sectional area. Electric current is equal to amount of charge by unit time. What makes the charge flow? This is tank A, this is tank B. So tank A is at a higher level than tank B. So what is flowing from tank A to tank B? So see how what is flowing from tank A to tank B. Say 60 degrees Celsius is the temperature at A, and 20 degrees Celsius is the temperature at B. So A has higher temperature than B. B has a lower temperature. So when they are touched, see, they are in contact. So heat flows from A to B till a common temperature of 40 degrees Celsius obtained in the two cell, the diagram of a cell, with the bigger one represents positive terminal and the smaller one represents the negative terminal. It's a diagram of a cell. It's a positive terminal with plus sign, it's a negative terminal with a minus sign. So remember, positive terminal means higher electric potential. Similarly, negative terminal represents lower electric potential. Difference between higher potential and lower potential is the potential difference. The function of the cell is to create the potential difference. Now, what is a free electron? Nucleus consisting of positive proton and neutron carrying no charge. So surrounding it, electrons are revolving with negative charges. Now this is the distance from the nucleus. Between the nucleus and electron, there is a force of attraction called electrostatic force of attraction. In non-metals, the number of electrons in the outermost orbit is more. That is 5, 6, 7 electrons. Hence, electrons are strongly bound. In metals, the number of electrons in the outermost orbit is less. That is 1, 2, 3 electrons. And the electrons are lightly bound. See, the electrons are coming out. Depending on the number of free electrons, substances are classified into conductors, have large number of free electrons, which are charge carriers. Insulators have less or practically no free electrons. Semiconductors, they do not have free electrons at room temperature, but can develop under specific condition. The SIM card is made up of semiconductor. IC integrated circuit is similar example of semiconductors. A substance which does not allow charges to pass through it is usually called a, so your choices are metal, conductor, insulator, and semiconductor. Negative terminal is called A, higher electric potential, B, lower electric potential, C, pole, and D, none of this. Substances which do not have free electrons but can develop under specific conditions are A, metal, B, non-metal, C, semiconductors, and D, superconductors. The function of the cell is A, to create difference, to create B, to create drop, C, to create potential difference, and D, to develop free electrons. So first answer is insulator. Insulators do not have free electrons. Second answer, lower electric potential, as they have concentration of negative charge. Third answer, semiconductors. Free electrons are generated on imparting heat. Fourth answer, to create potential difference. Cell creates potential difference. Flow of current in a wire. Atoms in the state of vibration. Free electrons in the state of random motion. So see, they are in a state of random motion. Now they're connected to a battery, a cell with positive and negative terminal. Now see, electrons are flowing. Electrons move with a certain average drift. This is the average velocity or drift velocity, we call it. Flow of electrons from negative to positive terminals. Now conventional current is shown by black line. It's from positive to negative. Potential difference, a very important topic. Positive charge stands on an insulator stand A. So it's higher potential or high potential. So negative charge B stands on insulator stand and is negative or low potential. Now when they connected by wire, it's a metal wire, a conducting wire. Due to difference in potential, charge will flow from higher to lower. As charge is flowing, work is done. Potential difference. The electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another. See the lightning striking. How does lightning occur? Static charges. The clouds are at high potential because they contain positive charges. Charge travel from high potential to low potential. Electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of the cell, but dash of the current is positive terminal to negative terminal of the cell. Your choices are conventional direction A, B, electron current, C, real current, and D, negative. Next, the function of the cell is to create dash A, potential difference, B, develop charges, C, it's C, should we see random motion of electrons, and D, none of this. The potential of the earth is dash A, positive potential, B, zero potential, C, high potential, and D, changes as per condition. Answer of the first question is A, conventional current, conventional direction, sorry. Conventional direction of current is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Your next answer, potential difference. A cell contains higher potential and lower potential, shown by positive and negative. Third answer is zero potential, as Earth is a infinite body. Thank you very much from Zealous Physics.